I'm Henry Tilton. I've been in the repair business now for 46 years. Here at my shop at CarWorx in North Raleigh, we have been at this location now 21 years. About 5 years ago, we made a decision to move from Mitchell to Shop Boss and been happy ever since. Industry's changing a lot. Cars have become exceptionally difficult to work on, diagnose, and expensive to repair. We try to find things in the shop here to make things easier for me. Your system, Shop Boss, you intuitively know where to go. I like how clean the estimates are. The one that I look at every single time, profit per hour. Most shop owners don't have a clue how much money they're making to the end of the year. And I really believe you gotta know how much money you're making per job. I know how much money I'm making. I know how fast I can get a customer's their estimates or guesstimations. I know what my profit margins are. I know what I'm fixing to get myself into. It makes me exceptionally efficient. Put the customer in. If they're already in there, all you gotta do is hit the customer, bing, up, comes up, fills it in for you. No problem at all. Take a guesstimation at what you think the job's gonna be. Put it in there, call the customer up, and you're done in about 5 minutes. Shop Boss might be able to give you an extra hour every day if you use it.